Did you know that the key to enhancing your muscle strength might just be in your kitchen? That's right, by incorporating specific foods into your diet, you can supercharge your muscle gains like never before. Now, let's dive into the top 12 foods that will help you pack on muscle and boost your strength. These foods are not only delicious but also essential for anyone serious about their fitness goals. Are you someone who struggles to see the results you want in the gym despite putting in the hard work? Well, one common challenge many face is not getting the right nutrition to support muscle growth. But fret not, because the solution might be simpler than you think. It could just be a matter of what you eat. Chicken breast. First up, we have chicken breast. Chicken breast is a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' diets, and for good reason. Chicken is an excellent food choice for muscle building, thanks to its high protein content. It is one of the best sources of protein, with a 3-ounce serving of chicken breast providing approximately 26 grams of high-quality protein. In addition to protein, chicken is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B, niacin and B6, which play a crucial role in muscle development and overall body function. These vitamins enhance bodily functions and assist in the muscle-building process. Studies also indicate that a high-protein diet helps burn more fat and prevents muscle loss during workouts or training. Including chicken in your diet will not only support muscle growth but also contribute to fat loss and overall health. Whether you grill, bake, or stir-fry, chicken breast is a fantastic addition to your muscle-building diet. Eggs. Next on our list are eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, along with important nutrients like choline, which support muscle function and brain health. While the protein in eggs aids in increasing strength and building muscle, other components are equally beneficial. Contrary to common belief, the cholesterol in egg yolks does not raise blood cholesterol levels. For bodybuilders, eggs provide a balanced diet, offering fats necessary to meet energy needs, especially during growth phases. The vitamin B in eggs supports various bodily processes, including energy production. Additionally, eggs contain amino acids that enhance muscle recovery and essential minerals such as zinc, iron, and calcium, all of which contribute to overall health and fitness. The best part is that you can enjoy eggs in so many ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or even in omelets with veggies. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another powerhouse food for muscle building. Greek yogurt is derived from milk and is an excellent source of high-quality proteins. It contains double the amount of protein found in regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth. It combines both whey protein, a fast-digesting protein, and casein, a slow-digesting protein. Studies have shown that consuming a mix of fast and slow-digesting proteins can significantly increase muscle gain and strength. Greek yogurt stands out with its higher protein content, 20 grams per serving compared to regular yogurt's 16 grams per serving. Enjoy it on its own, or add some fruit and nuts for an extra nutrient boost. Lean beef. Lean beef is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, as well as important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are essential for muscle growth and overall health. A 100-gram serving of lean beef provides around 26 grams of protein. The iron in beef helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, improving endurance and strength. To maximize muscle gain while managing calorie intake, opt for beef from grass-fed cattle. This type of red meat has higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid, which aids in reducing body fat and increasing muscle mass. Additionally, beef contains saturated fats that help maintain healthy testosterone levels, a crucial hormone for muscle growth. Incorporating beef into your diet provides the necessary nutrients to support your muscle-building goals effectively. Choose lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin to keep your fat intake in check. Salmon. Salmon is not only excellent for overall health but also a prime choice for muscle building. It is rich in high-quality protein and contains long-chain omega-3 fats, such as DHA and EPA. A 100-gram serving of salmon provides around 20 grams of protein. Omega-3 fatty acids primarily support heart health and play a crucial role in muscle synthesis and breakdown by enhancing the anabolic ability of amino acids. Incorporating salmon into your diet will increase your body's omega-3 fatty acid content, helping maintain lean muscle mass and boosting muscle-building processes during workouts or training. The omega-3s in salmon help reduce muscle soreness and improve muscle protein synthesis. Enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or in a salad for a muscle-boosting meal. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent plant-based protein source for muscle building. While protein-rich foods are crucial for muscle gain, it's equally important to understand the role of carbohydrates in providing the necessary energy. Thus, incorporating foods with carbohydrates is vital. Quinoa stands out as an exceptional choice, offering slow-digesting carbohydrates, ample protein, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Quinoa consumption has been found to increase insulin-like growth factor levels in the body, a key element that supports strength and muscle gains. Additionally, the magnesium in quinoa enhances various bodily processes related to muscle and nerve function. By including quinoa in your diet, you can ensure a balanced intake of nutrients essential for muscle building and overall health. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides around 8 grams of protein. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and iron. Use quinoa as a base for salads, as a side dish, or even in soups to add a protein punch to your meals. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a favorite among heavyweight trainers and those aiming to gain muscle mass. It's an excellent addition to your diet, highly recommended for its rich protein content. A diet high in protein is crucial for muscle growth, especially when combined with heavy weight training. Cottage cheese is primarily composed of casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein. As you consume casein, amino acid levels in the blood rise gradually and stay elevated for an extended period. This slow absorption makes cottage cheese more effective for muscle building and reducing muscle breakdown compared to whey protein. A typical serving of cottage cheese provides around 14 grams of protein. It's also rich in calcium and B vitamins. Due to its slow digesting properties, cottage cheese is best consumed before bed. This ensures a steady production of amino acids in the blood during sleep, preventing catabolic activities that lead to muscle breakdown. Enjoy it with fresh fruit, on whole grain toast, or even in smoothies for a protein-packed snack. Almonds. Almonds are a great snack for muscle building. They are high in protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to help protect your muscles from damage during workouts. 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, provides around 6 grams of protein. Almonds are also a good source of magnesium, which supports muscle function and energy production. Snack on almonds. Add them to your oatmeal or use almond butter in smoothies for an extra protein boost. Brown rice. While 1 cup of cooked brown rice contains only 5 grams of protein, its real benefit lies in its carbohydrate content. Brown rice is composed of slow-digesting whole grains that provide sustained energy, making it an excellent source of fuel for workouts. The steady release of energy from these good carbs helps you exercise more effectively, thereby enhancing muscle growth stimulation. Studies have shown that rice protein can perform similarly to whey protein in terms of muscle gain during resistance training exercises. Incorporating brown rice into your diet ensures you have the energy needed for intense workouts and supports your overall muscle building goals. Pair brown rice with lean protein sources and vegetables for a balanced, muscle building meal. Peanuts. Peanuts are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and unsaturated fats. A half-cup serving of peanuts provides approximately 400 to 500 calories, offering a substantial energy boost to fuel your workouts and training sessions. Their high protein content, combined with significant amounts of amino acids like leucine, makes peanuts an excellent choice for muscle building. Leucine, in particular, plays a crucial role in stimulating protein synthesis, essential for muscle growth and repair. Including peanuts in your diet can help you stay active, support muscle development, and provide the sustained energy needed to power through your fitness routine. Beans. Beans come in a wide variety, making them a versatile addition to your muscle-building diet. They are rich in high-quality proteins and fiber, and low in fats, providing an excellent source of muscle-building nutrients. Packed with essential vitamins like vitamin B and minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, beans are crucial for stimulating muscle growth and gaining muscle mass. This plant-based protein is a must-add to your diet for anyone looking to enhance their muscle-building efforts. Moreover, beans not only support muscle growth but also promote long-term health and help prevent various diseases, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy for your workouts. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A and potassium. One medium-sized sweet potato provides around 4 grams of protein. Enjoy sweet potatoes baked, mashed, or as fries for a nutritious and delicious addition to your muscle-building diet. Here are some tips to help you incorporate these foods into your daily diet. 1. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you're getting a good balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. 2. Prep your food in batches to save time during the week. 3. Mix and match these foods to create a variety of meals and prevent boredom. 4. Use herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your meals without adding extra calories. 5. Stay hydrated and complement your diet with plenty of water. We've covered the top 12 foods that are a must-have for anyone looking to build muscle and increase their strength. Remember, it's not just about hitting the gym hard. Your nutrition plays a crucial role in achieving your fitness goals. So, make sure to incorporate these foods into your diet and watch your gains soar. Now, share your favorite muscle-building recipes in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Together, let's crush our goals and become the best versions of ourselves. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.